When we were student, we came to know 1972 বাহাত্তরের সন্ত্রাস, কিন্তু আমরা নিজেরা চোখে দেখি, তাই আমি বলতে পারবো না। কিন্তু এই সন্ত্রাস সব সন্ত্রাসকে চালিয়ে গেছে। These atrocities is atrocious terrible. I am grateful to all my India team's leader. Sonia ji rang up me, Rahul Gandhi rang up me, Arvind Kejriwal, Uddhav Thackeray, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejaswi, Hemant Soren Yadav, Jharkhand Chief Minister, all the allies of United Indian Alliance. They said we are totally, absolutely with you. I think our solidarity will be united and strong for the next days. Akhilesh requested me to come today itself, but I said you come better tomorrow. So he's coming tomorrow. And one by one, everybody will come. And then I told you that my target is very clear. I will strengthen the India team just like a small person. And now I don't have any chair, so I am a commoner. So you cannot tell me that I am using your chair. I am now free bird. I gave full life for service to the people. Even these 15 years, I have not withdrawn one paisa of pension or I have not taken one paisa of salary also. But now I am free bird. So I have to do some work. That I will manage to do it. And our party will see they started torturing all of our people. Even scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, they are not spared. One little girl is working with me. Scheduled caste family. Her family was ground from last night. She is having one daughter. They have their daughter-in-law, newly married. BJP said we will rape you. And her grandma is about 92 years old. She became ill, but they are not allowed to take water, even drinking water, from the outside. From Bhangor to Barasat, Barasat to Degonga, Degonga to Kolkata, Kolkata to North Bengal, North Bengal to Jungle Mahal, all area, South Bengal to North Bengal, Bardhaman to Birbhum. BJP, along with goons, started atrocities, and they think that some people may go for their bindings, but heartily they are not. And please remember that police is totally inactive. আমরা যখন প্রথম জিতেছিলাম, আমি বলেছিলাম কারো উপর যেন কোনো অত্যাচার না হয়, বদল চাই, বদলা নয়। আমরা কিন্তু সিপিএম এর একটা পার্টি অফিসে হাত দিইনি, আমরা কোনো অত্যাচার করিনি। আমি রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত আর নজরুল গীতি গাইতে দিয়েছিলাম। আর 3 দিন ধরে বিজেপি যে অত্যাচার করছে, সিআরপিএফ, এটা জওয়ান বাহিনী না গুণ বাহিনী? আমি আমার নিজের কনস্টিটিউশনে দেখেছি, আমার অভিজ্ঞতা 100 জনকে মেরে তাড়িয়েছে যারা জিতছিল। এবার আপনাদের আমি বলি, আপনাদের একটা রোল সম্বন্ধে আমাদের অভিযোগ আছে। You may accept, may not. After first round, you started saying BJP is getting 200, 195. You didn't wait up to the final result. Even you didn't wait to see the 5 round, 6 round. And after that campaigning with the press media, the BJP went to the inside of the polling station and they started beating the people, beating the counting agents. When I came to know why all the counting agents are withdrawn, that time I was reading about 13,000 and my 5 round was left out. And that round is also my ward and Bobby ward. We should have get more than 32,000. Then the candidate BJP itself went there inside along with 200 CRPF and 200 outsiders good. And then they beaten our people. Even the women were not spared, and they snatched all the 17 sheep form. When I came to know, I started going there. First, they stopped my car in the Jogubazar area, but I moved from the other way. When I entered, the CRPF said, "No, you are not allowed to go." I said, "I am a candidate. You are not allowing me. You are not allowing our candidate, our agent." So it is going on one-sided. Then, written I complained to RO that it should be stop counting right now unless the restoration is over. Restoration normalcy is restored. Then Randhir came. I told Randhir, the DO. I know he gave a message to somebody before 15 days ago. Ye chuna counting mein khel hoga. That I am having with me. I told him, can you do like this? Even nobody is from the outside. My official agents are not allowed. I am not allowed. I went inside for few minutes. They kicked me in my belly. They kicked me in my backside. And they abused, physically manhandled, assaulted. And you cannot imagine what happened because that time CCTV was off. So far I know, I have seen the CCTV footage from inside the room. Then I was sitting there, I said, unless and until